I've never heard anybody say a sentence like that.
I don't even know what that means.
What does it mean?
It doesn't. Yeah.
It sounds like word vomit.
Now that you said that, I'm like, oh man.
Scale your vision with Chat by Copy AI, the most natural way to interface with AI to research, create, and achieve.
Yeah.
Achieve.
Achieve.
I don't know. What? All right, hunters, welcome to the real debut. This is the UX Movie team, and we will be breaking down the top product from Wednesday, March 8th, which is Copy.ai's Chat.
Katie, taking a look at only the hero section, what do they do?
Looks like a Chat GPT competitor.
Anthony, do you have anything else to add or a different take on the hero section?
Scale your vision, what does that mean? Research, create, and achieve seems to be the verbs they're focusing on here.
All right. We thought it might be fun to throw their landing page into Chat GPT for a 2-sentence summary. And Chat GPT says, the landing page copy introduces Chat by Copy AI as a smarter AI chat platform that can help teams research, create, and achieve their goals in sales and marketing. It highlights some of the features that differentiate Chat by Copy AI from Chat GPT, has real-time data, pre-built prompts, and built-in doc editor. The copy also includes a list of Chat by Copy AI can do, which Chat GPT cannot, including generating personalized copy for sales outreach, summarizing YouTube videos into key bullet points, and scraping websites for data. I'm totally going to try that for this video. So those bullet points are going to come straight from Chat by Copy AI.
All right, let's get into it.
So back at the main page, we are going to go through and scroll. Katie and Anthony, have me stop anytime you want to discuss some of the table stakes.
All right, we see some trust indicators here, and it says sales and marketing teams, so that's interesting. Here we go, we're getting into the Chat GPT alternative. Now, it's doing a really good job here of showing the current state of things and then comparing itself to something else.
I love this status quo on the left, the kind of that it sticks, as well as that we're getting individual things here. So if you don't want to read all of that, I guess you read the stuff on the left, and those are the bullets.
And then you get the details on the right. It's pretty neat.
Yeah,
it's a nice
this
interaction
is slick.
here.
This is really slick feeling as I'm scrolling
So
through.
it's also not exactly one for one on the check marks to the stuff on the right, but it's close. So it's interesting that they kind of diverged a little bit from what they say under the check marks.
Very cool. What can it do? This is nice. This is how it works. This is exactly what it does. Same interaction over here with the left side sticking, the right scrolling. I love this can't versus can. ChatGPT can't, status quo. Chat by Copy AI, brighter future. Like, they do a beautiful job of before and after here. It is clear. How to use chat. Okay, this is how it works.
So those were the other ones that were status quo, brighter future previously.
That was a before and
So
after.
if we go back up real quick, these are all before and afters. Can't, can.
Yep. And then we're getting into how it works. So here are the steps, really clearly laid out. Beautiful timeline animation here, guys. This is lovely.
This is slick.
Yep.
And then we get to we land in a call to action. Beautiful.
I wish the call to action kind of popped a little bit more when you got there. I guess it just felt like a natural conclusion, but I kind of wanted to pull me in a little bit more.
Did you want it to animate, or did you want it to be like?
I wanted it to tell me to maybe try a chat, like select a chat, choose or something like that.
When you clicked, Brittany?
Just ask about.
Guys, this is so weak. Like, after this beautiful site, this page is weak.
What's going on here?
We are going to take a short break, and I will speed it up in post. So Katie and Anthony can take a look and determine what they think is the best freeze frame and the worst freeze frame. We'll be back with you in a second. All right, guys, we are back. Katie, do you want to kick us off with the best freeze frame in your opinion?
The best was the before and after. It was crystal clear exactly what your life was before Chat by Copy AI and what the brighter future looks like with it. They did a beautiful job on this. I don't have much that I can even criticize on this section.
Anthony, what about the worst?
Both the hero section and the call to action at the bottom.
Those were the two I had in mind.
Because this,
In my
this
opinion,
just doesn't make me curious at all. It doesn't give me any additional information. I'm here already. Like, what scale your vision?
Yeah, the scale
Scale your vision.
I'm
What am I
not
scaling
entirely
my
sure
vision?
what that means.
What does that mean?
And-
Show me something first. Show me the UI. Show me the thing that I'm about to get into. Like, if it was just like better than Chat GPT, it's these call to action sections. And then it's like, maybe tell me how to get started, not just try it.
the number one Chat GPT alternative that can access real-time data. Like that
That's better
succinctly
for the top.
tells me what the difference is and what the heck this does.
It feels like a very scrappy, very quick, fast follow on top of Chat GPT. It feels, oh no, we need to do something. Let's do something, guys. Let's go.
Well, we know copy AI has been around for a while,
Yeah.
right? So it may very well be that.
And it really feels like that.
All right, guys. So very good breakdown. And as we wrap up for today, Katie, what is your one sentence recommendation?
Write a headline in the hero that makes me curious or is crystal clear. Choose one. I don't care which one.
Did you use your own product to write this site? Or did you use actual humans who can write things that make other humans curious? That's a serious question. Scale your vision with Chat by Copy AI, the most natural way to interface with AI to research, create, and achieve?
Well, tune in to the sister episode to this real debut, which is called our sneak peek. We will, at that time, go through the quick onboarding and give this a roll. Maybe even do a side-by-side comparison of ChatGPT's results and Copy AI's results.
Interesting, because I am skeptical that they have a better model.
Mm-hmm.
All right. We were also going to include a free Figma file of the freeze frames from this site in the description, and feel free to go there, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks so much for joining us. We are the UX Movie team, and we'll be back next week with more from the Real Debut.